We are cooking out of Star Wars, The Ultimate Cookbook, which is a recipe collection put together by Chef Strono Tuggs. Now, today we're making Giju Glug. It's a fizzy, fruity drink, and one of the main ingredients of it is Blutopia pearls. So we're gonna recreate Blutopia pearls with tapioca pearls. All right, so let's get to it. To make your Blutopia pearls, you're gonna take a cup of brown sugar, a cup of water, put them in a pot, and bring them to a boil, and let them boil for 2 minutes until the sugar dissolves. We're letting that boil for 2 minutes. We've got 5 cups of water over here. That is going to, we're bringing that to a boil as well. Okay, so you wanna do it for about 2 minutes. You wanna make sure the sugars are dissolved. We're gonna take it off the heat. We're gonna let that cool down a little bit. Okay, we've got our water boiling, and we're going to add 1/4 cup of tapioca pearls to our boiling water. We're gonna bring that down to a simmer and let that simmer for 25 minutes. Our tapioca pearls have been simmering for 25 minutes. I turned the heat off. Now I'm gonna cover it and let it sit there for another 25 minutes. Tapioca pearls, we boil them for 25 minutes, and then we turn the heat off and let them sit for 25 minutes. To the simple syrup, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract right there. Mix that up. Okay, and then we take our tapioca pearls and we're gonna drain and rinse them. This is what your tapioca pearls look like after they have been boiled and steeped and drained and rinsed. And now we're gonna put them into our cooled simple syrup. Mix those up. And these sit here in the simple syrup for 30 minutes, and then we will have Blutopia pearls. We will have transformed tapioca pearls into Blutopia pearls. All right, our Blutopia pearls are done. So now we're gonna finish our Giju Glug. About 1/4 cup of peaches, diced peaches there in the bottom of your glass. Now, it also calls for a sprig of mint. I am not gonna add a sprig of mint because I forgot to get it, so I don't have any mint. And then you're gonna muddle this. I also don't have a muddler. Okay, let's pretend that that's been muddled. Cool. Okay, then you're going to top it with a 1/4 cup of your Blutopia pearls, which you've got right here. And then we're gonna top it with some crushed ice. Okay, we've added crushed ice on top, and then on top of that we're gonna go with, and this is actually an authentic Giju drink, Canada Dry Ginger Ale. One of the interesting, weird coincidences of the galaxy is that both Earth and Giju have a Canada. We're gonna now top this with ginger ale. There we go. All right, get yourself a wide straw, like for a boba drink, and stick it in there, and oh my god, oh crap. All right, stick it in there. Be careful if your glass is slippery, and let's give it a try. Giju! I mean, look, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's definitely on the sweet side. It's a little bit of sweet on sweet on sweet. The peaches are sweet. The Blutopia pearls are sweet. Ginger ale is sweet, but it's good. I like it. We got some Blutopia pearls. Giju is a long way away. We don't always get to go there, so if you want to recreate an authentic Giju experience and you don't want to go all the way to Canada Giju, you can recreate the Giju Glug right here. Make your own Blutopia pearls, make your own Giju Glug. It's actually really good. If you want the full recipe, you can get it in Star Wars, The Ultimate Cookbook, which, while it was written by Chef Strono Tuggs, it also was written by Jen Fujikawa and Mark Sumerak. So it's a great book. It's got like 90 recipes in it, all from all over the galaxy. And there's a link in the show notes. If you buy with that link, I get a little bit of a kickback, so you're supporting the channel. You're getting a great book. You can make your own Giju Glug. And, you know, you don't have to go all the way to the Rimma Trade Route. If you like this video, please click the like button and follow me for more foodie, nerdy adventures. This is Ryan from Fandom Feast. We'll see you on the next one.